Welcome to another edition of Chef Greggors. I am Chef Greggor, and today we are making Not Your Mama's grilled cheese. What we're gonna do today is I've got some challah bread here that we're gonna end up using, and I've got all kinds of different meats. Like I said, this is Not Your Mama's grilled cheese, so I'm not using Wonder Bread and American cheese. I'm using nice challah bread. I got my challah bread from Joanna's Marketplace. Big shout out to my sponsor, Joanna's. Give a shout out to my boys, Mike and John. And if you need any of your catering needs, brises, bar mitzvahs, bat mitzvahs, weddings, or even just office parties, give Joanna's Marketplace a call and give a shout out to my boys, John and Mike. Let them know Chef Greggor told you. So what we're gonna do today is use some nice challah. Let's get a close look here. This is fresh bread, literally right out of the oven. I'm gonna put some Genoa salami on there, some provolone, some cheddar cheese, and one of my all-time favorites, some prosciutto. Because it's Not Your Mama's grilled cheese, we're also gonna dress it up with a few other things. Some pickles, some spicy mustard, my all-time favorite, which is gonna really give it the flavoring, smoked Gouda. Some mayonnaise too, this is the key. Remember this, don't forget to put your mayonnaise. We're not using butter, we're gonna take mayonnaise and we're gonna spread it on both sides. That's gonna give it that nice crunch, and it's also gonna give it that coloring. Notice the tool that I have here too. My favorite kitchen tool, spatula spreader. That's what this is. This is a multi-purpose utensil. I'm gonna spread my mayonnaise on here. I'm gonna do my muffaletta and some other things, and I'm gonna even cut it. And also remember this, always have a sharp knife in the kitchen, because actually 98% of all accidents that happen in the kitchen happen from a dull knife. And I actually almost forgot my secret recipe here, what we're gonna put to give it that perfect flavoring. Let's zoom in here. My muffaletta. This is my muffaletta, which I've got some olives that are in here, some chopped up celery, some carrots, some oils, and even some peppers. And when all this comes together with the melted cheese, this is gonna bring you back to your childhood memories. Okay, now that our sandwich is put together, it's time to grill it. So what we're gonna do, let's go over here to the pan. I'm gonna put the heat on. The optimal temperature for this grilled cheese for this particular stove is what I'm gonna go number 6. You have to get comfortable with your stove and see what you're comfortable with, but I recommend it at a middle range. While it's heating up, I wanted to tell you a couple of fun facts, because everybody always comes up to me and they ask me, Chef Greggor, tell me, where did the grilled cheese actually start? Well, I did some research, and the grilled cheese actually was started by the ancient Romans, believe it or not. That's fun fact number 1. Now, so let me give you another fun fact. Fun fact number 2, from 1920 to 1970, it wasn't called a grilled cheese. It was called, believe it or not, a cheese dream. And I think I'll give you one more, because 3 is a good number. The stove is still getting a little bit warm, it's almost there. But third fun fact is, the average 7-year-old consumes almost 45 grilled cheeses over a 3-month period of time, believe it. All right, now it's time to enjoy this grilled cheese. So what I'm going to do is cut it. Also, don't forget, like my channel, subscribe, and please leave a comment and spread the word to all your friends.